In mining, cut-fill reporting ensures excavation and earthworks align with the planned design. In this video, we'll show how to create a cut-fill map and generate a report in TBC Mining. Mining operations can use the same workflow to generate daily, weekly, or monthly conformance to plan reports. As a first step, we'll download our data via Trimble Connect. So in this case, we have two layers, the as-built layer and the design layer. Navigate to the Mines tab and open the cut-fill map option. Create the two required surfaces for comparison. In order to do this, navigate to the View Filter Manager and turn off all the other layers and remain with the one that you want to create a surface from. In this case, we want to create the design surface using the clean layer. Create the second surface, which is the as-built surface. And again, navigate to the View Filter Manager and ensure that you have the correct layer turned on. You can now create the conformance to plan map or the cut-fill map based on the two surfaces. You can turn off the other surfaces and layers to ensure that you can have a clean view of your newly created cut-fill map. You can also view the map in 3D. Click on the Earthwork Report tab and generate a report based on the two surfaces. You can select a boundary to focus on, but in this workflow, we're not going to use a specific boundary. And there you have your report.